Good morning. I picked up a coffee for myself and a friend. Been on prednisone for almost a year. Higher maintenance dose now. And let me just tell you, it helps you to gain some weight. It really does. I told my rheumatologist, I'm gaining weight on this dose. You know, it's happening. I have a shoot today and I'm actually not doing the photos. So Kendall will be doing the photos. I'm doing the video. It'll just be fun. I'll get to like hang out with the team. If you're the photographer, like everybody runs the shoot. I get that. But as a photographer, it really is on you to make it happen, stay on schedule. You're the director. It's all of those things. Turn office lights to daylight. I'm going to pack my bags and skedaddle. It is rainy. When I get back later, I have to clean my office. All this has to move for our shoot. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yeah, no, you can't. Grass, mud. Alexa, shut down office. My doctor, 99 she is doing her thing about, is this chemo, lupus, or an infection going on? I think she's leaning toward lupus. Oh, that light is so much better. Anyways, driving is one of my most creative times. I get so many ideas and just think about video concepts with a shoot like this, where it's just an inspiration shoot. It's not for a client, not for a brand. It's nice to just be able to go with the flow and see where my creativity leads me. Okay, let's do it. And I just realized I ran off and forgot my monopod, my tripod, just forgot everything. Whoops. Daniel had his 100th day of school, so I got him hairspray. Well, it didn't come in time for the shoot. It was late. The shipping was late. So I told him we could spray it in his hair today. He mentioned, can it go in your hair? So I sprayed the end. It said the back door of the van wasn't shut. Super glad I forgot my things. I mean, really a bummer. Lose all my gear on the highway. Let's do it. Almost there. It's a spare lane and it is. I love that this venue is in the middle of nowhere. They have a ton of land you can shoot on. Really pretty. Hydration. So for each vendor that's here, I'm gonna create a reel. So first up, we have Charity Fent, who made the cake. Let's go make her reel. Some foliage here, foliage in the back. They play off of each other with this wire rack and some signage right here from Shop Reverie. Oh, getting close on the detail because she has amazing texture work.
All this time, I've been feeling hopeless till you came around.
So the next one is for Simply Inspired, and they did these metal place cards that say bride and groom. Just bam, bam, bam with a couple of little rocks at the corner.
What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love? What is love?
I want it to feel pretty organic, so it doesn't have to be a perfect, and then we added these two rocks. Welcome to my booth. Next up, we've got Travelington Co. And, oh, you know what? We should totally make that a thing. Welcome to the real room. Okay, so for this next one, we've got Travelington Co. and Eventful Rental, and both of those companies, we're shooting the glass with the drink in it. I'm gonna do 2 separate reels for each company. I want each one to be different. So one will be more focused on the glass, one will be more focused on the drink. We also have this signage from Shop Reverie. So I'm gonna take one video with that because I'll probably put that in her reel as well. And then we've got this nice dusting on the edge. So I wanna make sure I do that for both companies actually. So this first one we'll do for Eventful Rental, who gave us the glass. Focus on the long stemware, the base, and focus through to the words in the background to make it feel like a good lifestyle type reel that they can use. Show their clients what you can do with the glass.
I don't know, no one ever showed me I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me without?
Welcome back to the Reel Room, where the next thing on the list is to video the diamonds. So there's this Instagram song that's kind of trending, and it's like, do do do, do 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 do. Typically used with like landscape shots, but let's give it a shot. Next, we've got signage from Shop Reverie. Before we start shooting the couple, we also have Eventful Linens and Rentals. They've got the linen on the table. So I'm gonna take some shot, do like a slow panning shot, tilting shot of the detail of the linen, because it's really nice linens. We'll do these 2 reels and then get started with the couple and all of the other vendors that we've got. Welcome back to the Reel Room, which is also where Charity has set up this gorgeous thing. So we're gonna shoot this. Are you guys going away? So we're getting close, this close for Shop Reverie's. Charity, you did a great job. It's time for the couple, and we've got hair, makeup, dress, tux, floral, photo, venue. I think those are the ones that we have left. As many of the details that we've already done with the couple as possible, because those are always good. Kendall's working her magic over here. Nice intimate shots. All the couple photos, reels for every vendor. Obviously I haven't made them yet, just filmed them. Top part of the venue, there's a concrete backdrop, not actually made of concrete, painted to look like concrete. So what we also used for styling details. Anytime you can add a personal detail like that, or like a custom detail into the shoot, it really makes the whole thing come to life. It's an all white space. It's a rainy day. The sun was going in and out, so we got some moody shots. I have to leave soon, so Kendall let me get all the shots I needed to get, and now she's shooting the first session of the Reel Room. So I told Charity I want to do, hold on, let me get this set. Okay, so what do you think about the Reel Room? I feel like we should do that. I just said that as a joke, but I actually really like it. I think we should do Reel Room episodes. Short form, vertical content is incredible for mobile users. Concludes the first episode of the Reel Room. Gotta back up files, help clean up where we can, and I gotta go. Such a beautiful venue. Don't even know if you can see it with that shot. I love this venue. My sister's getting married here. It's got that whole Pride and Prejudice feel, middle of nowhere, gorgeous sunsets in the field. Really pretty. I also love the all white venue look. Caitlin, who does the signage, wrote me a card. You guys, that is the way to my heart. Here's a life tip from my marriage counselor. Keep all of your encouragement cards in a drawer if you're having a hard day, or if you just need it, or whatever. I love to stumble across like a collection of cards. It's raining.